Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another product for unboxing, reviewing and testing, and this is the Powerfix Cordless LED work light, 2200 milliamps lithium battery with power bank function. We have a USB port for charging smartphones, ADC, work light with two brightness settings, approximately is 800 lumen at 100% and 400 lumen at 50%. 3 years warranty from Lidl, extendable. You are going to see. We have another small flashlight inside with a battery, 360 rotation, a magnet. You can put it to your car to work with that, and the icon for charging your smartphone. Let's see some pictures from the other side. Approximately is 38 centimeters. When is extended is 60 centimeters. Oh, let's see what we have inside, of course. And here it is. Of course, the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. The one battery that I was said, the smallest flashlight. Yes, it is a metallic flashlight. 1 to 1.5 volts. And here's the main flashlight. We've got a micro USB charging. We don't have any charger. Okay. We've got an ergonomic soft touch grip. There it is. Very soft, yeah. We have this adjustable handle. Here is the hook. You can rotate it. We have the magnets. Both of the sides they've got a rotation hook and the magnet. Here is the LED unit that it goes to 60 centimeters and all the way in. It can fold. Very useful. In here we've got the charging port for the unit. We do have a 2200 milliamps, as I said, and here is the outlet for charging your smartphone. For 2200 milliamps, you will near charge your smartphone. A Galaxy S9 Plus, it will charge about in 70%. Well, definitely it will be helpful when you're in a 0 or 5% of your battery and you don't have anything to charge it. Definitely you can adjust it however you want from both sides with no problem. We have an LED indicator for charging, and this is the on-off switch. It goes to 100%, 50% of lighting, and then off. I will charge it, I will fully charge it, and then I will test it at night to see how much light it can give us. Now in the small torch, we can install the one AAA battery. It's a metallic torch, and I don't know if it is adjustable. I'm not getting anything here for adjusting. No, it is not adjustable. It's a nice small light. Definitely it will be useful. I like it. Okay, let's charge it. Okay, here we are. As it's charging, It goes red, is blinking in red. And for this torch, we've got this secret compartment. It will go all the way in and you can store your small torch. Very convenient. Yeah. You can take it out. Or if you want, you can turn it on, put it inside, and leave it just like that. And that is very convenient. Okay, the LED work light is fully charged. We can close that. And then we are going for testing to see how much light it goes out at night. Well guys, as you see, it has a very bright light in high and low. And you can see how it stands with a magnet into the front of a car. And again, the light is very bright. You can see how it illuminates the engine. And as you see, you can hook it wherever is suitable for you. And to say my honest opinion, for 25 euros, a great work light, and it is rechargeable, and you can charge and your smartphone when you are with low power. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it. And definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.